Ano ba, Kabalen? Welcome to Warren, Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, itutur ko po kayo dito sa bagong bukas na staycation sa Angeles City. Ito po ang Grand Garage na tsak niyo pong magugustuhan. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Again guys, welcome to Grand Garage. So tara, pasok tayo. So ayun guys, coming from their parking area, unang mag-greet po sa inyo ay ang kanilang napakagandang swimming pool area. What's special about this pool gumagamit po sila ng copper technology for the filtration and sanitation ng tubig natin. So that is one extra mile from our owners na talagang safe at guaranteed fresh yung water natin dito. And also from here, makikita natin yung ating pinaka main property, which is meron siyang dalawang level. Later on guys, meron akong surprise sa inyo. Alright, so also here, meron tayong parang pinaka-function area or a gazebo. During the evening guys, meron tayo ditong projector in which you can use to watch siguro mga movies na gusto nyo panoorin. Alternatively, ang lugar na to can be used again for multifunction events and occasions as well as your outdoor dining area na rin. So if you notice guys, yung pool natin has a section in which meron tayong partial glass. So nagiging uso na rin to dito at it really feels luxurious and elegant kapag may ganitong section yung pool mo, di ba? Additionally, itong seating natin dito is somewhat sunken feel. Okay, so pasok tayo dito sa unang room natin. Wow! So, yung first level natin actually has 3 bedrooms. So, this is one of the 3 bedrooms. And if you notice, meron tayo ditong king-size bed. Parang pinaka-setup niya, it's like floating. No? Ang galing, di ba? And then additionally, meron tayong entertainment section dito. It has a really large TV. Yan. And then dito sa room na to is their bathroom. Wow! Napaka-elegant, I must say. They really put so much detail into dito sa staycation natin dito. So, your lavatory, no? And then separate yung ating shower area dun sa toilet area, which is +1. Alright, let's go to the next room. Habang nandito tayo guys, I wanna show you, meron tayo ditong spiral staircase going to the activity area. Later on, papakita ko sa inyo yan. For now, let's go to the next room. So this is more of a group bedroom, no? Notice meron tayong dalawang bunk beds or double deck they call it. Now this room also has its own toilet and bath. There you go. So this section is the shower. Kabila naman is yung toilet. Another room, we're gonna come in. Again guys, this room is great for groups. Iba lang yung orientation niya from the previous room natin, but it has the same capacity. So, siguro around 8 people pwedeng ma-accommodate to. And again, it has its own toilet and bath. Alright, so another room we're gonna check. Wow! It's my first time going here. Ang ganda, ang galing naman. So this is more of again, for siguro very young family or small family, so between couples, and then your kids are gonna be staying at the second level ng bed na to. Ang ganda ng design, guys. I'm really impressed. I'm stunned. And dito sa side na to, ayan. Also, toilet and bath. Okay, so before we get in, I think this is one of my favorite spots din dito sa Grand Garage because it speaks for itself. Napakaganda ng ating entertainment area. So this is their living room / dining area, indoor dining area. And notice yung ating sunken living room dito. Very elegant, no? Imagine guys, you're sitting here and then watching Warren Pampanga YouTube, di ba? So, ang galing nun, di ba? Okay, so this one is their dining area. This is like 10 seating capacity. Okay, now going out dito sa side na to, sliding door. Ayan. Dito naman yung ating pinaka-dirty kitchen. Yeah, so this is gonna be your outdoor preparation for your food. Kung balak nyo pong mag-catering dito po sa loob, this is what you will gonna use. Complete amenities. So that's about our first level. We're gonna go upstairs and we're gonna show you more about this really great place. So ayun guys, I'm not gonna hold you anymore dun sa surprise na gusto kong ipakita sa inyo because this is one of the best place you're gonna be enjoying dito sa Grand Garage. Look at that. Solid, di ba? So you have a jacuzzi at the second floor, overviewing yung mga bisita ninyo or anyone in here that are enjoying yung pool natin tsaka yung gazebo. So, perfect. So, ito yung ating pinaka-main logo. Ang galing ng ano natin, no? It speaks again of elegance and luxury. Okay, let's go to the master's bedroom. Wow! Welcome, welcome. Come in. Come in. So, this is our master's bedroom. And first things you're gonna be greeted is yung kanilang napakalaking king-size bed. Ayan. And then, in front of it is your entertainment section dito. So, sa likod nyo naman guys, is ito yung toilet and bath natin. So, sa likuran natin guys is yung kanilang toilet and isa sa mga automated. Look at that. It opened already. Upo ka na lang, guys. So, ayun guys, still at the second level or the second floor. Sa likuran ko naman is yung kanilang activity area. So, in here, again, you got some entertainment, billiards table. Dito sa section naman to, we have some table games that you can enjoy with your kids, with your visitors or guests. Speaking of guests, take a look at the chairs. This can accommodate siguro 30 people, no? So napakalaki talaga. So there you have it guys. Again, this is another place for you to check out. We are so impressed with the place, with how spacious it is, as well as the amenities that you can enjoy, no? Plus, yung aesthetic ng lugar na to, it really makes you feel that you are not in Angeles City. I mean, take a look at the design, yung mga accents. It's not really typical Kapampangan or even in the Philippines. So once again guys, thank you so much for being with me in this video. Thank you so much Grand Garage for inviting us. Sigurado pong magugustuhan ng aming mga community, ng aming mga viewers, ang lugar po ninyo. So if you're interested to know more about this, make sure to check out the link we're going to be providing in this video. Until our next discovery, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Have a nice day. Peace out.
You are the artist I'll never be. Stay with me and I have no doubt you'll make a painting that makes you proud.